Alright, so the first step is to find two clips, which are usually found at the bottom. So down here, and at the top here. This usually varies on the type of switch you have. So you want to have one go at the bottom, like this, and really dig in so that this actually goes inside almost, but not in a way that breaks or anything. And then you actually want to pull the two parts together like this. I keep forgetting to turn off my keyboard, so I'm going to do that. And then once you do that, you just push in more than out. You don't want to pull, but you actually want to push in so that you're sure that it'll hit the two clips. And you want to gently feel it pull out like that. You don't got to pull too hard, and then, yeah. And then to put it back, take the switch. Check the amount of the number of pins. If you're just putting it back, it shouldn't matter because there's no reason it just magically grows a few pins or something. You want to check that the pins, there's the same amount of pins in this as there is for this. If you have a 3 pin and 5 pin, that doesn't matter. But if you have 5 pin and like 4 pin or something, it might be different. Anyways, you put it back gently into slot. You don't want to ram it in, and make sure it's well centered, not like this, but you want it to, if my camera will focus, to be squared in and not push in one direction more than the other, but to push in with the same amount of pressure as it would be if you were to push in straight down. You could do this and push in, but that I wouldn't recommend that. I would just push in like this with holding the two tips, applying the same amount of pressure for the force to be straight down, just like that.